Welcome back to Earth CNU. Today I'm going to make a salsa. These are all prepared, and I have diced tomato. This is roughly around a half pound of diced tomato that I used. And then you have the red onions. I did a half of onion, roughly a medium-sized onion, all diced. And then the pineapple, 2 slices of pineapple, that's all diced also. I chopped a few pieces of the cilantro and a lime. I just cut it in like 4 pieces. Now I'm just going to go in and put all the ingredients together in a dish. So first I'm going to put my tomato. I pour everything in the dish here. Then I'll pour my onions. Then I'll pour the pineapple. And before I put the cilantro in, I'm just going to mix everything around. Mixing it all around. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to pour my cilantro. And squeeze all the lime in right after. Mix everything all around. The cayenne pepper is optional. It all depends on if you want to add pepper, but I'm just going to add just a little, just to my likeness. Just mix that around. Okay guys, this is my secret ingredients. This is sea moss, the purple sea moss, and you can get this from Earth CNU also. You can order it online. This is a good way in having your sea moss. You know, you don't actually taste it, and away from mixing it in juice. This is another way, and friends and family can invite over, and this is also a good snack for everyone. It is so good that I can't stop eating. I hope you enjoy this video, and remember to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to purchase our sea moss at Earth CNU. Bye-bye.